Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Knott TV, and well, let's get started. I didn't actually have a FaceCam to use for the purpose of this tutorial, so what I wanted to show you was the very basics. I haven't adjusted any settings or anything, so I'm just going to do that now quickly. Right, there you go. That is the format you're going to be using in all your YouTube videos. So what you do is click the top video, which is obviously going to be a FaceCam. Always make sure your FaceCam is on top of the video you're actually going to be wanting the FaceCam on top of. And then once you've clicked on the FaceCam, go up to Tools, Video Event Pan / Crop. Now what you want to do is zoom out so you got a fair distance, and you're going to want to bring this out, and it actually does the opposite, and obviously makes the video smaller. So make it to about the right size, and then again it's opposite, so you got to drag it just like that. Top right is always best. Well, it depends entirely on your taste, but just say you want it there, then there you go. That's how you make a FaceCam. I've been wondering how to do it for so long, and it's just so simple. I just never even looked into it. So you just play the video. I won't actually do it because it will make my computer crash. But thank you guys for watching. Be sure to leave a like if it's managed to help you out. Leave a comment if you've got any questions at all. I'll be able to help you out and work with you. And subscribe for more tutorials, videos, gameplay, and random crap coming from me soon. Thanks very much, guys.